Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fold an origami walking aeroplane. Before we start, please prepare a square sheet of paper. In this video, I'm going to use 15 cm kami paper. Okay, so let's start with the color side up. First, what we need to do is to fold the paper horizontally from this side to the other side. And then do the same thing from the right side to the left side. And then unfold the paper and then turn the paper over. And then what we need to do is to fold the paper diagonally from this point to the other point. Okay, and unfold. And also do the same thing on the other side. Okay, and unfold them. So with these creases, first we want to form a water bomb base. So to form a water bomb base, first you fold the model horizontally down. And for the next step is to reverse fold these two corners following with this line. So reverse fold one, and then reverse fold for the second time, and then put back the model. So for the next step is to fold this flap up like this. Okay, and then fold both of this layer so that this diagonal line meet with the middle line here. Oops. Okay, and then unfold it and unfold it again. So now what we have is some sort of creases like half of the fish base. So next is what we want to form is the rabbit ear fold. And how to do that is first you fold this line, fold this line, and this line, but fold it in the fairly fold form. So right now we already have this one and this one in the fairly fold. So the next part is to push this layer and then bring the layer down. Okay, and do the same thing on the other side. So we fold diagonally up. And then we form the crease line. And then unfold the paper. And next is to unfold these two. And then form a rabbit ear fold. So fold down. Do this. And then press here. Okay. Okay, for the next step is to fold this entire layer in half. So pull these two layers behind like this, turn it over, and now what we want to do is to form the leg. For the first leg, fold this layer down so that it's go forward a little bit, maybe here. Okay, and then fold the foot up like this. And alternatively, I like to form a reverse fold, or we say outside reverse fold here, so that the leg is stronger. How you do is with these creases, you open up, and then you open up here, then we form this crease again, form this crease, the crease that we have just done, and then collapsing the model. Yeah, like this. Now we have the foot here, and now we can turn the paper over. Now what we want to do is to form a foot on this side. So what you need to do is to fold it front first, and then fold the layer behind, form like this. Okay, and again from the foot, and for the next step is, instead of folding like this, we can just do a reverse fold here. So open up this layer and then push this point up, and then fold this part down. There you go, there's a leg. And the next step is to fold down the wings. What we need to do is just to fold this layer so that it meets with this line. And also do that on the other side. And then unfold them both. And for the last touch, usually I just lock this part down. So what you need to do is to just push this one inside the paper, and lock it like this. And there you go, the walking origami aeroplane is done. So thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe. If you have any idea on what tutorial to do next, please comment below, and see you again in the next video.